Start. Sir, comma, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak on the budget 2015-2016 stock. Though this is the second budget of the NDA government, comma, it is the first full-fledged budget of the NDA government stock. In every budget, comma, we have a lot of expectations stock. We expect some new initiatives, comma, some excitements and some popular and new announcements stock. As happens, comma, after the presentation of the budget, comma, there are reactions, comma, of both types stock. Some welcome the budget, comma, some criticize the budget stock. Sir, comma, this is the 21st budget, comma, I have been participating stop era. In every budget which the new government presents, comma, there are some new initiatives, comma, new announcements and a lot of expectations because there is a change of government stop. They make promises in the elections, comma, make promises which cannot be fulfilled as happened in the case of black money stop. A lot of expectations were raised that we will bring black money overnight stop. So, comma, after some time, comma, there will be total disappointment stop because this budget is the first full-fledged budget of the new government, comma, people expected that there will be a big bang budget, comma, it will be a dream budget stop era. Sir, comma, I remember, comma, several finance ministers' budgets were also called dream budgets stop. Those who are praising and criticizing the budget of the UPA, comma, those who are today criticizing the UPA, comma, they, comma, themselves, comma, have praised the UPA budget as development oriented and growth oriented stop. The same corporate sectors praise every finance minister because they will have to keep him in good mood stop. Today, comma, some of the corporates say that this is a growth oriented budget, comma, there are a lot of incentives for development, comma, there are a lot of allocations for infrastructure, comma, forgetting that as the nation grows, comma, our economy grows, comma, the allocation also increases stop era. Sir, comma, the real test is whether the allocations are able to achieve the desired goals stop. Having seen the budgets of the previous several years, comma, and analyzing this budget, comma, there is nothing sensational in this budget stop. This is a routine budget stop. Government comes, comma, government goes, comma, the budget is continuing stop. It is a statement of receipts and expenditure, comma, and a policy statement of what the government will do, comma, and will achieve during the year for which the budget is presented stop era. Sir, comma, the major claim of this government is that they have accepted the 14th Finance Commission's recommendation and the devolution to the states is 42% stop. This is being repeated and repeated, comma, and now there is no other thing for this government to claim stop. They say, comma, we have given more money to the states stop. We believe in federalism, comma, we believe in inclusive federalism, comma, and that is why we have given 42% stop. Sir, comma, I would not like to go into the details stop. It is very clear that there is absolutely no increase in the actual devaluation to the state governments stop. They have given rupees 1.5 crores by way of additional resources because of the recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission stock. So, there is negligible increase in the resources available to the states stop era. On the other hand, they have increased the resources by reducing the corporate tax from 30% to 25% stop. They are putting nearly an additional rupees 80,000 crores with the corporates stop. What was the need for this stop? I cannot understand the rationale for reducing the corporate tax stop. Sir, corporate tax is given on the profits of the corporates stop. The finance minister was saying that this will attract investment, and in the Southeast Asian countries the tax rate is 25% stop. So, I don't think that any corporate will come because the tax is less here stop. It is a new idea which is being said that, to help the corporate, if you reduce the corporate tax, investment will come here stop. Nobody demanded the reduction in the corporate tax stop. Para. Sir, there was a long standing demand that interest-free bonds should be floated stop. Nearly 20 crore people of this country believe that interest is prohibited in that stop. Whether one accepts it or not, that is their religion, they believe in it stop. It is a concept which has been accepted world over stop. The actual mutual fund is a concept, which is Sharia based stop. You accept mutual fund, but if the word Sharia is added to it, you are against it stop. Now, the State Bank of India, as a business product, floated an SBI Sharia equity fund stop. It was to be launched on 1st December stop. Advertisements were published stop. It was a business plan stop. No government put any kind of pressure on them, it was on their own stop. Para. Honorable Deputy Chairman, Sir, it is with great pleasure that I rise to make a statement to the House on the Prime Minister's recent visit to Seychelles, Mauritius and Sri Lanka stop. The importance of these visits can be gauged from the fact that an Indian Prime Minister has paid a bilateral visit to Seychelles after 34 years, Mauritius after 10 years and Sri Lanka after 28 years stop. Sir, these three nations are amongst our nearest ocean neighbors stop. We have a long history with each one of them in which people to people ties, economic cooperation and maritime security have all featured prominently stop. On this occasion, each one of these facets was taken to a highest level stop. The visit to Seychelles was on remarkable stop. The Prime Minister was accorded the fullest honors and beyond, being received and seen off by President James Michael personally stop. They had a bilateral meeting where issues of economic, infrastructure and maritime cooperation were discussed stop. The Prime Minister inaugurated the coastal surveillance radar system set up with India's collaboration stop. Sir, he met with senior leaders of the government and addressed the Indian community stop. Among the important outcomes of the visit were our decision to gift a second Dornier aircraft, to provide gratis visa for a period of 3 months and to include Seychelles in the electronic travel authorization scheme. Stop.